Hello guys, let's talk about the VIOFO camera firmware update, okay? So this is the A119 from VIOFO, and I'm going to update the firmware by just removing the card, inserting the firmware to the card, putting the card back, and then turn the camera on. The process is simple like this, right? So first thing here, I just remove the card. So here I have it, and then I remove it. Then I'm gonna use an adapter like this one, okay, to insert the card. So let's just get focus here. Here we go. And I insert it here. Here we go. And then I have it to insert on my computer and put the firmware here, okay? I'm gonna visit the VIOFO's website, so VIOFO.com. Come here to support, in firmware and menu. Look for my camera. In this case, mine is the Mini 2. Okay, so A119 Mini 2 dash cam. And I'm going to download the firmware. Click here and download. So here we go, I have it downloaded to my folder. I will just copy and paste here on my SD card. Drag and drop. And here we go, okay? And I just want to leave like this, not changing anything here. Eject the card and put on my camera. So here we go, back with the card. I'm gonna remove here from the adapter and insert the card back into the camera. So here we go. And then just turn the camera on. Here I have the power cable. It's a USB-C cable. I'm going to power on the camera and let the camera work with the update itself. So you see the power is coming up. See the LED here. Just need to wait for a while. So the camera is going to boot up, read the card and update the firmware. And that takes some time. So let's wait. Okay, so here we go, it just took some time, it's about like 30 to 40 seconds. Then the camera boots up and has the new firmware already, right? And it starts recording. So it's pretty fast. There's no warning that the firmware was updated. It just updated firmware, start recording, and you have the new firmware. Okay, so you can go to the menu and take a look if you have the new firmware, and that's it, right? So pretty easy, pretty fast to update this VIOFO's firmware. Okay, just need to download from the site, put into the card, and boot up the camera with the card with the firmware inside, right? So that's it, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave a thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.